Hello viewers, welcome to Skillslash. In this video, we are going to tell you everything about SQL in just 5 minutes. This is a beginner-friendly video and is best for those looking to get a bird's-eye view of what SQL is all about. After watching this video, you should have a good understanding of what SQL is, the need for it, its advantages, and its applications. So, first, what is SQL? SQL is short for Structured Query Language. It's a database programming language that lets us communicate with databases. By communicate, we mean the ability to store, manipulate, and retrieve data stored in relational databases, or RDBMS. An RDBMS is a database where data is stored in a tabular form consisting of rows and columns. Such an arrangement and organization of data is helpful in speedy access to the data and in carrying out operations such as querying, viewing, and updating data in the tables. SQL is the standard language for all relational databases such as MySQL, Oracle, MS Access, and PostgreSQL. Now that we have understood what SQL is, let us move ahead and understand its importance and need. As data explodes in the 21st century, managing such large amounts of data is a formidable challenge. This is where SQL steps in. SQL solves the need for speedy and efficient management of databases and file systems. Here's why SQL is so much in demand these days. Number 1, it is a one-stop solution for speedy and efficient handling of database operations such as querying, retrieval of data, deletion, updation, and more. Number 2, with its simple syntax and logic, SQL is a simple database programming language that doesn't require any special coding knowledge. Hence, it can easily be learned even by beginners or freshers. Number 3, being an open-source language, SQL has a vibrant user community that guides SQL users in troubleshooting the problems they face while using it. Number 4, portability. SQL is a highly portable language, meaning that it can be used on PC, laptops, and even smartphones. This makes it highly convenient for data professionals to manage data irrespective of what device they are working on. Now, let us have a look at the applications of SQL. Almost all companies have information stored in databases that need to be managed. SQL is widely used for managing these databases. Some of these applications include: first, SQL is used to create and define a database. It can also be used to delete a database once its use is over. SQL, being a data definition language, DDL, enables these functionalities. Second, SQL can be used to make changes to a database that already exists. One can add new data, modify existing data, and retrieve data as per requirements from the database using the data manipulation language, DML, feature of SQL. Another well-known feature of SQL is that it is a data control language, DCL. This allows SQL to be used to secure databases against unauthorized access and cyber attacks. Thanks to these applications and features, SQL is used in a number of industries and sectors for anything and everything related to database management. SQL is used by the music industry, OTT content platforms such as Netflix, social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, etc. Conclusion: learning SQL is bound to pay rich dividends given its industry-wide applications. To be more specific, it is a must-have skill in the data domain. Almost all job interviews for the role of data engineer, data analyst, or data scientist have an SQL skills round to test the candidate's proficiency in SQL. Hence, those aspiring for a career in the data field should definitely upskill themselves in SQL. That will do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned to Skillslash for more such content. Thanks for watching.